If you are currently evaluating your options for a high-resolution mirrorless camera system, recent updates from the manufacturing pipeline suggest that a significant shift in the market is imminent. For the past 2 years, the camera industry has focused heavily on high-speed action bodies, leaving studio, landscape, and commercial photographers waiting for a true advancement in pure resolving power. The latest data reveals that Nikon has been developing a highly sophisticated successor to its high-resolution lineup. Welcome to TechVibe, your source for authentic technical breakdowns. Today, we are analyzing the verified specifications and engineering developments surrounding the upcoming Nikon Z7 III. This system is designed as a direct spiritual successor to the D850 heritage, engineered specifically to compete against the highest-performing high-resolution bodies currently available. For professionals whose workflows depend on maximum dynamic range, exceptional microcontrast, and extreme cropping versatility, this upcoming release represents a major technological transition. The primary point of discussion over recent months has centered on the sensor configuration. While unverified online speculation hinted at overly dense pixel counts, official supply chain data confirms a highly calculated approach. Nikon is introducing a newly developed 67.5 megapixel full-frame backside-illuminated CMOS sensor. This architecture maintains a native base ISO of 64, preserving the absolute pixel purity and low-noise performance required for large-format printing and commercial reproduction. Pushing the resolution ceiling well beyond the previous 45.7 megapixel standard provides unprecedented flexibility, allowing photographers to utilize a DX crop mode while still retaining a substantial 28 megapixels of highly detailed data. To ensure this resolution performs under challenging lighting conditions, the sensor architecture is rated to deliver 15 stops of uncompromised dynamic range, preserving critical detail in both deep shadows and high-contrast highlights within a single RAW file. To handle this massive volume of data smoothly, Nikon is pairing the sensor with their latest EXPEED processing engine. High-megapixel cameras have historically suffered from slower operational speeds and bottlenecked autofocus performance, but this computational upgrade resolves those limitations. The processing pipeline introduces an advanced deep learning algorithm known as Predictive Path Mapping. Rather than simply tracking a target across a two-dimensional grid, the system analyzes vector movement and acceleration patterns in three-dimensional space. This allows the camera to maintain a precise focus lock on erratic subjects, such as wildlife moving through dense cover or a model moving quickly through varied studio lighting. The autofocus system continuously calculates tracking points across a dense 493-point focal plane array, operating effectively down to negative ADV for reliable performance in low-light environments. Physically, the Z7 III moves away from the heavy, integrated grip chassis of flagship models, opting instead for a highly refined, lightweight Mini Z8 form factor. This design ensures exceptional ergonomics and comprehensive weather sealing across all joint segments, allowing the camera to operate reliably in harsh outdoor environments. Managing the thermal output of a 67.5 megapixel sensor paired with a high-performance processor required a complete redesign of the internal cooling structure. To avoid the bulk and power drain of active internal fans, leaked schematics reveal an innovative passive heat dissipation framework. Nikon has implemented a magnesium alloy thermal conduit that efficiently draws heat away from the sensor and processor, distributing it evenly across the outer chassis. This enables sustained, unthrottled continuous shooting and extended operation without the risk of thermal shutdown. For hybrid creators demanding advanced video capabilities alongside elite still imaging, the integration of Red digital cinema technology marks a major milestone. Following Nikon's acquisition of the cinema brand, the Z7 III serves as a key platform for integrating this professional color and data science into a standard body format. The camera features internal 12-bit NRAW and ProRes RAW video recording UP to 8K at 30 frames per second, fully oversampled across the entire width of the 67.5 megapixel sensor. This process delivers an exceptionally sharp 8K file completely free of line skipping or pixel binning. Furthermore, official red color science profiles are integrated directly into the camera's internal firmware, providing film-grade highlight roll-off and accurate skin tones immediately upon capture, which significantly reduces post-production color grading time. This processing power is backed by an enhanced in-body image stabilization system providing 8 stops of verified stabilization compensation for steady handheld operation. The media architecture utilizes a dual card slot configuration optimized for professional data management. A primary CF Express Type B slot handles the high throughput requirements of heavy RAW bursts and 8K RAW video, while a dedicated UHS-2 SD card slot provides flexible options for simultaneous proxy recording or instant overflow backups. This hybrid structural layout ensures that commercial operators can route massive 8K data streams into high-speed storage without experiencing physical buffer stalls during critical live assignments. The electronic viewfinder has been upgraded to a class-leading 5.76 million dot panel featuring a 120 Hz refresh rate, ensuring an exceptionally smooth display, zero perceptible lag, and accurate brightness monitoring even when operating under bright daylight. Regarding the release schedule and market positioning, production timelines indicate a global announcement scheduled for late autumn, with retail availability expected ahead of the winter season. Nikon is adopting a highly competitive pricing strategy to position this body effectively within the premium market segment, with a targeted launch price of $3,499 USD for the body alone. This positioning places next-generation AI processing, exceptional resolution, and integrated cinema-grade video tools at a price point directly adjacent to lower-resolution competing options, forcing a massive recalibration of current value standards across the industry. For professionals and advanced creators considering an upgrade to their high-resolution gear, this upcoming release introduces advancements in sensor technology and processing speed that establish a clear new benchmark, bridging the gap between standard full-frame performance and medium-format image quality. Thank you for analyzing these technical developments with TechVibe. If this breakdown has provided valuable insight for your upcoming equipment decisions, please select the like button, subscribe to the channel for further authentic technological analyses, and share your perspective in the comments below regarding how a 67-megapixel architecture will integrate into your professional workflow. We look forward to seeing you in our next technical update.